Guys, this week we're going to create an advertisement and we're going to do it with this thing called Crello, crello.com. So when you get to crello.com, you are going to sign up. When you click the sign up button, you're just going to check out Google right here and you're going to choose the Google account that you use for school. I've already actually done that, so it sent me a little confirmation email, so I'll get to that later. But what I want you to do is pick out one of these templates and make an advertisement for something that you actually miss going to. A store you like or a restaurant you wish you could go back and sit down and coffee shop you wanted to go to. So you're going to start by choosing a format, Facebook ad, Instagram video post, whichever thing you want to start with. I'm going to start with just a quick little Twitter ad because I feel like that's probably going to be pretty straightforward and easy. Maybe a Pinterest graphic, but I'm going to go Twitter. And you're just going to make an advertisement for something that you wish you could go to right now, but you're quarantined, so you can't. So I'm going to make a restaurant ad for my favorite restaurant that's in my neighborhood. It's a Greek restaurant. I like Greek food. I'm going to scroll through here until I find the perfect thing that looks like Greek food to me. I'm going to hit the pause button on my recording while I locate that. All right, this is the one I decided, and I'm going to go in and edit it using this. So if you can, you're going to put in the name of the restaurant. Right, and then you're going to put in some kind of information about the restaurant. At this point, you may want to look up what makes it special. So this is a little local place that I like a lot, and I'm just going to go ahead and look it up real quick. Right, and authentically Greek, no passport required, and then the address. And take some of this information that's right here, or some of the things that they say about their restaurant, and you're going to put it into your advertisement. Today, we're going to go ahead and open up a thing called Klex, which is an online design tool, and it's kind of a cool one. So go to that link and just click on this button that says Start Designing. When you click on the Start Designing button, you're going to be able to pick one of these things. Let me start with, you're going to make an advertisement for a business that you want to go back to the minute this quarantine is over. So what business do you want to go back to? Is it a restaurant? Is it a shop? Is it a hair salon? Where is it that you are missing so bad right now? I'm going to start with, let me start with just a card. I don't care if you start with a Facebook post, Instagram post, whatever size. That's all it's doing is giving you a size. And then you can choose your images. You can come in here and choose different pieces to build with. You're just making an advertisement for something. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on building my ad so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. And I'm going to pause my recording while I do it. I think I found the perfect thing. I went ahead and searched for food-related pictures because I'm going to be advertising a restaurant. And I scrolled around until I found this picture, which is just a pretty basic fancy pants table setup. What you can do is you can change things right over here. It gives you options straight away. And you can do this or not do it if you want. It's your decision. But I'm going to go ahead and change the opacity and give it a little blur so it's kind of this fuzzy background. And then when you click off to the side, click away, you can see your options are back again. You're going to put some text on there, whatever text you think is particularly good. So I'm going to look for something because the restaurant I want to advertise is Greek food. So I've got to look and see what really speaks to me and says, hey, this is Greek looking. Maybe that. It's your decision. Change the font, change whatever you need to change. That looks more Greek. And write the name of the place, write a slogan for it. If it's got a slogan, you can actually just go and find out what they say about themselves when they advertise. So this is a restaurant I like, and this is their website. So now I might be able to pull their phone number off of here. I might be able to pull their address off of here, or gosh, their web address. Maybe get some pictures if they let you put pictures, but this is one of my favorite restaurants, so I can maybe pull some of this information off of that. What you want to do though is you want to change it, and I'm going to change mine up just a little. I'm going to hit the pause button again. So I've got some text on here, and obviously, if I'm making a full-on advertisement, I want to put like a phone number or a web address or some kind of link on there that people can go to and see more information. It's just an ad. It's not everything you need to know. It's just sort of trying to entice you to go there. If you are so inclined and want to add your own photographs to this advertisement, like for example, one of the things that I really like there is this cool flaming cheese that they make. They literally set the cheese on fire, and it's actually quite good. So if you wanted to save a picture, and I've saved it already, so I practiced it before I turned this on. If you wanted to save a picture, you can come here and upload it. You see where it says uploads. You can literally drag your picture. So I'm going to go to my desktop and see where I saved it. Just drag it right there. And now I've got the picture of the cheese. And I can put that over here into my ad, and I can do all sorts of cool stuff to it. I can change the, oh, look at that, nice rounded corners, and I can change the opacity and blur it and mirror it. I can resize it. I can spin it around a little, maybe tilt it into the corner like that. What I want you to do is make an ad in its entirety. Give me the information I need so that I can go to the place or use the business. I want you to put some pictures on there that make sense with the advertisement. Just make an ad for something that you want to go and do or see, or a place you want to eat, or a coffee shop you want to go to when this thing is over. Just make an ad. And then when you're done with it, you're going to hit this button that says download. When you hit the button that says download, it gives you all of these options. It doesn't entirely matter, but the easiest thing on the planet, you know, because it's the most common format for graphics, might just be a JPEG. So you're going to download a JPEG, and you see how it just went right here? It's called Untitled One. Not a very creative name, I'm sure. If that bothers you, you can actually go in and change the name. You can just right click on it and rename it. And you can call it Ad. You can give it your name. You can write your own like that. That's Dunlap's ad, and perfect. What I want you to do with that is I want you to upload it when you are going through and you are putting your answer in for this week's question. If you cannot upload that file, then you can send me the file in email. There's my ad. It's not a great ad, but I am going to answer a question about it. So I'm going to need to have that in order to answer the question. But yeah, you can send it to me in email. You can send it to me in a text. You can send it to me however you can if it doesn't go into the form correctly. And remember, this is a phone number I have set up just for texting, so it doesn't accept phone calls. And if you do send it through an email, there's my email. Either way, if you don't send it through the regular form, make sure you include your name with the rest of your message so I know who sent it to me. That way I can assign the grade. But that's it for this week. You'll do the larger assignment with the graphic design videos, and you will make an advertisement. Okay? Good luck to you.